Welcome to the continuation of pronom relatif. Now we're going to look at the two pronouns qui, which we've encountered in our previous video, and que. So let's look at the sentences. Je connais la fille est arrivée. La fille, la fille. We're repeating la fille here, not terribly elegant, and one of the reasons you want to use a relative pronoun is to avoid repetition. So clearly, la fille est arrivée gives more information about la fille here. The function of la fille in this sentence is that of a subject. La fille is a subject to est. And when la fille is a subject, and we're replacing it with a relative pronoun, the relative pronoun that we're going to use for that is qui. So the sentence looks as follows. Je connais la fille qui est arrivée. Je connais la fille qui est arrivée. Qui in the sentence has the function of a subject. Qui in the sentence is a pronoun for la fille and replaces it, and the entire sentence comes immediately after the noun for which it gives more information. Let's look at this sentence here. La fille est arrivée, same as previously. Je connais la fille. Clearly, this sentence gives information on la fille here. Clearly, this is what we want to replace with a pronoun, but you can tell by the position of la fille in the sentence, it is no longer the subject. In fact, je is our subject to the verb connaît, but la fille is the direct object to je connais. Now, for the direct object pronoun, we use que. And let me show you what this sentence will look like once we replace la fille with que. One other thing. Your relative clause always comes immediately after the noun for which it gives more information, and we have seen this in the earlier video that you can embed a relative clause in a main clause. So let's look and see what that gives us. Once you add your relative clause into the sentence, it reads, La fille que je connais est arrivée. The girl whom I know has arrived. Que je connais est arrivée. Notice that you no longer need this word because you have replaced it with que. Let's look at this here. Would we use qui or would we use que? Voici la jeune fille. Elle s'appelle Marie. So, you have la jeune fille. Elle, which replaces also a pronoun, which replaces fille. You could just as easily say la jeune fille s'appelle Marie, right? This sentence gives more information about la jeune fille, but the function of elle in this sentence is that of a subject, and therefore you use qui. And this is what the sentence would look like. Voici la jeune fille qui s'appelle Marie. Again, are we talking qui or que here? Let's look at it. Voilà la jeune fille. This hasn't changed from the previous sentence. J'ai rencontré la fille. J'ai rencontré la fille. So clearly la fille, this sentence gives more information on la fille. And here la fille, j'ai rencontré la fille, is a direct object of the verb j'ai rencontré. So we know we have to use que. Where do we put the sentence? We put it right after fille because it always goes right after the noun that for which it gives more information. J'ai is my subject, that has to stay. J'ai rencontré la fille. Another way of writing the sentence is to say je l'ai rencontré, also a way to be more efficient. Where's our fille here? Well, it's right here, L apostrophe. This is our direct object pronoun. So we've replaced this here, okay? But if we want to link these sentences, these two sentences, or these iterations, with this here, what will that look like? Let's see. Voilà la jeune fille. And our pronoun has to come right here, always at the beginning of the relative clause, and then you just finish with the rest. Que j'ai rencontré. And this is what that will look like. You just put your relative pronoun at the beginning of the sentence, and then you just write the rest. Que j'ai rencontré. To quickly summarize, qui is your subject pronoun, sujet. Que is your objet direct, object pronoun, direct object pronoun, objet direct. And qui or que come directly after the noun, for which the clause adds more information. And that's it.